Whoever touched me, come forward.
It was me. Just the fringe of your garment, only the edge. I promise. You are not unclean.
Why my garment?
I'm sorry. I know I should have asked. But if you touched me, it would make you ritually unclean according to the law. I was sick. I was sick for 12 years. I bled and no one could stop it. But I believed if I could just touch a piece of your garment. I was right. I was right. Thank you.
My daughter.
I'm not one's daughter anymore.
Yes, you are. It wasn't my piece of clothing that healed you.
But it was instant. I felt it right away.
I know, but it wasn't this. It was your faith.